Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, burger lovers. In this video, I will show you how to make incredibly juicy burgers on the grill using an easy method. First, let's talk about the foundation, your patties. For the best results, always choose ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio. This is key for moisture and flavor. Gently form your patties to about 3/4 of an inch thick, and remember to make a small indentation in the center of each one. This simple trick helps them cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up like a dome. Now, let's get those grills hot. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a fantastic sear. Carefully place your prepared patties directly over the heat. The secret to a juicy burger is to flip it only once during the entire cooking process. This locks in all those delicious juices. Resist the urge to press down on the patties with your spatula, as this squeezes out all the moisture we're trying to keep inside. Knowing when your burger is perfectly done is crucial. For a delicious medium rare, cook your patties for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. The most accurate way to check for doneness is with a meat thermometer. Aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Once cooked, transfer your burgers to a plate and let them rest for 5 minutes. This resting period is vital, as it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, let's add those irresistible finishing touches. If you're a cheese lover, add your favorite slice during the last minute of grilling. This gives it just enough time to melt beautifully. Don't forget to lightly toast your burger buns on the grill for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Serve your perfectly juicy burgers immediately with all your favorite toppings. Enjoy every delicious bite of your homemade grilled masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.